Hello friends, I hope you're doing well today. In this video, we are going to learn how to change our application icon easily with a very few steps. In the first step, we need a designed logo or icon for applications. If you have for example, UI UX designer or a graphic designer, they have to provide you an icon to use in your own site, but as we do not have anyone here, so I have designed a very simple icon here in this Figma using gradients, icon and text, very simple thing that I know with Figma, and then I have exported and downloaded before in my computer. The second step is to generate your icons. If you search for app icon gen, which is generation, you will find lots of website that is easy to use, but my common website is that appicon.co. Very simple. You have to just drop your file in this drag area and select the specific files, and I just recommend you, please don't change name here, because the name you are specifying here should be changed. If you change, you have to change it in Android manifest XML files to be applied, and if you change the name, you would encounter lots of problems, which we don't want to make ourselves a headache with it. So without further ado, you press the generate button and it would brings you a zip file, and if you open it, you would find two pictures called Play Store and App Store here. The Play Store and App Store, they are icons which are fits for deploying applications on your markets. For example, the Google Play needs this size, the App Store needs this size. So these are two needs for deployments, and if you go for asset x assets, you would find app icon, which is used for iOS, and here we are configuring Android only, so we need the Android file. So what's our next to do? If you open your VS Code or Android Studio and take a very closer look in your Android folder, then app folder, then source, main, res, you would find a folder called Meetmap, and you would see the IC_launcher here. So if you go through and in this zip file, you would find the similar names here. So what's our next task is to replace these things which we have, and expecting that our icon should be replaced in ourselves. So I'm going to say Android, and I would select all these folders, and I would say extract to, and find my project path, a very long path to my project. For example, I have to come to projects, and I should search, there's 1,000 projects here, the widget series. If I project, and I would search my widget series folder, then I would come this all way very fastly, Android, then application, then src, then main, res, and selecting the res as a final destination, and expecting that we are going to replacement error. Yes, we want to replace all folders and very similar things to change. And now if we open this ISL launcher, you would see this is our designed logo app, and after running, we have to expect and see our application icon has changed and everything worked fine. So my friends, that was true simple, and if you run, you would see, but unfortunately I cannot run now, my emulators has encountered a problem. But that was very simple, and if you do, I would guarantee that it would work for you and it would last for you forever. Thanks for watching. If I have adding any value to your life, please consider subscribing and liking my videos. Goodbye until next video.